Ever wondered how you can unlock the secrets to boosting your team's productivity and gain crystal clear visibility into how your workday unfolds? Insightful is your answer. And in the next 90 seconds, we'll break down exactly how this powerful employee monitoring and time tracking software works, step by step. First, a lightweight agent is installed on each employee's computer. Don't worry, it runs silently in the background, without disrupting their workflow. This agent then tracks key metrics like active and idle time, the applications and websites being used, and can even capture screenshots or video recordings of employee screens if you configure it that way. Think of it as a silent observer, collecting data to help you understand work patterns. Insightful automatically logs work hours based on computer activity, which means no more manual time entries. It can also associate time spent with specific projects and tasks, giving you accurate billing and project management capabilities. All of this data securely transmitted to a centralized dashboard. Here, managers and administrators can access real-time insights, generate comprehensive reports on productivity trends, and identify areas for improvement. This helps you see who's excelling, where bottlenecks exist, and how to optimize workflows. Insightful can also help you ensure compliance with company policies, creating a more transparent and accountable work environment. By providing a clear overview of how employees spend their time, Insightful aims to increase transparency, optimize workflows, and ultimately boost your organization's efficiency. Now you know how Insightful works. It's magic to make workplaces more productive. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.